before you're watching this video, you know, it's just another Silly Bridge Randomness video, since the last one is just pretty much bomb, because I felt like it's kind of short, and now I'm just gonna make it a lot longer, and then have to make it better than that last one I made, since the last one has been pretty much bomb, surprisingly, since I felt like I didn't have enough time to make that video, make enough time for Silly Bridge Randomness, and the last Silly Bridge Randomness video. So now, it's flocking here. Another Silly Bridge Randomness video. I hope you might go crazy for that. Silly Bridge Randomness number 9! Oh man, that's kind of deep for that 9. You know, unlike in the weekend videos, because there isn't gonna be more, make it a 7th one, or does it? But Silly Bridge Randomness can make more than goddamn in the weekends videos. It's they only stop at number 6. Now we're gonna make more, since we made 8th one kind of we didn't have enough time for number 8 to make more stuff to do for number 8. Now we're getting to make more stuff at number 9. Woo! Alright, class, everybody knows about whatever happened to Rose Quartz. Hey, when will Rose Quartz come back? Eyebrows, Rose Quartz isn't kinda coming back. What? Yeah, you know, because it said he's become a boy. Wait, Rose Quartz a boy? Charlie Roy. Yeah, what's up, Derek? I'm gonna get you freaking buddy! Yeah, watch out! Yeah, watch out, Derek! Oh, get you stupid rabbit! Yeah, watch out! Oh, you son of... Yeah, where's your dick? But he's freaking dead. Rest in peace, Bugs Billy. 2016 to 2016. Never forget this annoying bastard. Bill begins impression as trying to do an impression of Filthy Frank.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay? No more. Where the fuck are your parents? Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop.
Well, I think my impression is kind of manliness.
Steven!
Father. And
Mighty Eagle. This is gonna be the next John Cena joke, you know.
Horrible turn of events. Horrible.
Get lucky, almost nights get lucky, almost nights get lucky, almost nights let's get lucky, almost nights let's get lucky. The present has no limit. It keeps on and turning. Where's answers failing? Raise like doggy. We come too far to walk up, we are. Rest, wait so far, go back up, we are. Como let's get started. Oh, let's get started. Oh, let's get started. All nights, let's get lucky. 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 Let's get. All night, let's get. All night, let's get. All night, let's get. All night, let's get. All the nights, let's get. All the nights, let's get lucky. All the nights, let's get lucky. That's a pretty bad impression of dancing that song.
Check out, I'm blonde, I'm skinny, I'm rich, and I'm a little bit of a bitch.
Well, I think he just used the wrong video for Posy doing that. Girls with that Yellow Diamond Anthem video by that Mitchell cosplay. Well, I think we need another source to do the better ones. You know, Alright, let's re-edit it.
Come back here! I'm not finished with you! Damn!
Ross, you want to have a bad time? Nope. Where's the Jasper? I think she's in the kitchen. Alright, Dad, let me look for her. Where's that frickin' Jasper? Nope. 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 Can't frickin' find her. Nope. 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 What the frick is it? Where is it? Where's the frickin' Jasper in this kitchen? Where is it? Where the frick is it? Where the frick is it? Where the frick is it? A few minutes later. Did you find her? Nope. It was Dory in my kitchen. Get her. Have you seen it? Oh my god. Am I right? If it's actually Dory in the kitchen? Listen, you little cunt. What's next? Is James gonna come to my house and say, "Where's Donkey?" I'm gonna kill him. Run, 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 run. Grandma, is that you? I just got back from school. Oh my god, what a horrible day at that school. Am I right, Mom? No, it's just Slappy!
Once you see that shit, it'll fuck you up for life.
Good luck, have fun. And now for something that had nothing to do with Angry Birds. Let's see what's in this closet. Oh, shoot! Nope! Nope, 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 no, 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 nope, 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 nope. Let's do that again! No, 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 no! Do not open the closet! Do not open the closet! No! no. Bad balloon boy. Bad balloon boy. Get out. Do not open this closet ever again. Bad balloon boy. Bad balloon boy. Bad boy.
Eggs, 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 goat.
It's... Come on. Say it with me, Chuck. Say it with me. Well, it's ranking over. Well, this is pretty much the end of that, the 9th installment in the Silly Birds Randomness videos. So I was hoping I'm not gonna see you on the next Leonard Takeover video around like Saturday or something. So I'm so glad I finally made it better enough than the last one. You know, it's kind of a little lagging because I didn't have enough time to make more of them. So yeah. So I was hoping I get to see you from new videos around like yeah. Okay, back for that. So yeah, I think it's actually a lot better than the 8th one since the 8th one is kind of short and this one's been around like 9 something, like 10 something minutes. So yeah, and suddenly these pigs appear. Seriously, what do they want? What do they want from me? Maybe Knacker might try to get those eggs in the kitchen? Never mind. So yeah, so as I'm gonna see you for more, like on Leonard Takeover, which is gonna be like around like 2 something minutes. So yeah, so I'm gonna see you for more. So bye for now. Bye. And suddenly it's 11 minutes. I will stick to that. Ladies, let's get busy. Stop it already. Come on, come on. I just like it. Am I gonna make fun of you? No, are you sure you're just gonna being stupid and saying, ladies, let's get busy? Okay. 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 Fine. I'm gonna go with my banana family. Wait, you're the banana, right? No. I'm actually a shape of a Hershey's Kiss. Oh, okay. Well, I'll go back to my Hershey banana people. Huh, Chuck seems weird. And he looks like he didn't have hair. Or does he? And now it's goddamn 12 minutes. Good. Good. Good.